How to reset Bank of America credit card PIN. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how to reset the Bank of America credit card PIN, so follow the steps. First of all, you have to log into your Bank of America account by simply entering your user ID and then your password in the first and the second field in the home page, and then click on Login and access your account. After that, simply navigate to the card services and select your credit card under the Accounts tab. Request a PIN change, find the option to manage your card or PIN and follow the instructions. Talking about the mobile app, open the Bank of America mobile banking app, log in with your credentials, select your credit card, access your credit card account from the home screen, change your PIN, locate the option to manage your card or the PIN and follow the prompts. By phone, you can call the customer service by dialing the number on the back of your card, that is 1-800-732-9194 for the general inquiries, and you can request a PIN reset, follow the automated instructions or speak to the representative. In person, you can just simply go ahead and visit a Bank of America branch, go to your nearest location, speak with the representative, ask for help in resetting your credit card PIN. You also have to have your identification ready. Be prepared to verify your identity during the reset process. Choose a secure PIN. Create a PIN that's difficult to guess. Avoid using easily identifiable numbers like birthdays or the phone numbers. So that's all there is to it. For any issues, contact the Bank of America's customer service for further assistance. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.